What if everything you're waiting for is already here, and you just keep walking past it? Today we dismantle the male fairytale of someday and install 13 upgrades that make you magnetically alive. Most men treat life like a finish line that keeps moving, hoping one Monday the inbox will finally read 0. But life is an infinite game. The only trophy is your next breath. Rule 1, stop hoping for completion. Creation is the oasis. Picture your father riding shotgun, criticizing every turn. Love him, then eject his voice from the cockpit. A woman tests you not for the restaurant, but to taste the steel in your spine. Say no when your marrow says no. Her body will remember your certainty long after the argument ends. Your purpose is the pole star. Relationships orbit. Flip the order and gravity collapses. Growth lives 1 millimeter outside comfort. Imagine a surfer paddling where waves just begin to lift. Purpose isn't hiding. It waits for you to sit in silence and admit what breaks your heart beautifully. Be willing to torch the old blueprint. Camp in the fog until the new one downloads. Your kids don't need a martyr. They need a model on fire with mission. Busyness is a drug. Consciousness is the gardener. Stop and stare at the sky. Force her to wear the pants. She tailors them with resentment. Offer decisions like gifts instead. When she asks you to skip the gym, she's testing if you'll betray discipline for comfort. Pass and she brags. She wants to feel you'd choose purpose over her. That certainty lets her surrender safely. Stop auditioning for perfect partner. Direct the movie only you can see.